Hi, welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss another important topic when we are going to face an interviews is JAM called just a minute. JAM generally referred as JAM sessions, which means the candidate has to speak out on the given topic within 1 minute of time. On this concept, today we are going to discuss about what is JAM, why JAM sessions are important, how to prepare for JAM, the various tips to be followed when we are participating in a JAM session, and the general topics which are going to given in a JAM session. This is the outline of today's presentation. Let's move on to next. What is a JAM? JAM stands for just a minute as a program that one should speak about a topic in a minute without any preparation. On the spot, they are going to give a topic for the candidate. You have to speak on the particular topic without any preparation and all. And these programs are usual for all languages to improve your speaking skills and smartness. That means they are going to check about the command over the language whether you are having or not. And the ultimate objective of these jam sessions is whether you are present or speak about the particular issue or the topic in 1 minute or not. That's what all about jam. Now we will see why jam sessions are going to conducted in an interview. Comparing with the traditional way of interview and the modern ways, they are having a number of candidates which are applying for the job. To filter a large gathering or the large crowd of people, nowadays they are conducting jam sessions also one of the round for shortlisting of the candidate. And while shortlisting of this candidate, the interviewer or the HR people, they are going to observe various sort of skills. Those are whether he is having a general knowledge or not, and how the flow of speech of the candidate, the self confidence of the individual, whether he is managing time properly or not, and how your thought process is going to be worked. All these skills they are going to assess. Apart from this, the command over the language, especially in English, and how you are going to manage the time. That means within 1 minute of time, whether you are to manage properly or not, and the smartness of the candidate, how he is delivering the words when he is going to speak on the topic. These are the various sort of skills that an interviewer is going to observe while conducting a jam sessions. Now you will see how to prepare for jam session. Before going to participate in an interview, you can prepare jam in such a way that you should have a proper smile on your face. It will display you are confident about the topic. And begin with a thanking word. First, suppose you are going to talk about the topic or discuss about the topic in front of interviewers and all. You have to thank them for giving the topic or giving the chance to speak in front of them. Or if you are participating in a mock jam session or practice jam session in front of your classmates or in front of your lecturers, you have to thank them for giving a chance to speak in front of the people. And while we are speaking, you have to have a clear voice and at the same time express your thoughts with simple words straightly, no deviations for the topic and all. Straight away you can go on to the topic because the time is very limited. And make short notes on your mind when you listen to the topic title. That means when they have given a topic for you, ultimately you have to make logical arrangement of the words in your mind. Along with that, you are going to improve your general knowledge by paying an attention on current affairs. By reading everyday newspaper like a English newspaper, definitely you should be have a command over the language, and at the same time you are aware of the current affairs. Most probably in a jam session they used to give current affair topics only. That's why you have to concentrate all these areas when you are preparing for a jam session. Now you will see the tips to be followed when you are participating in a jam session. Those are grammar mistakes, maybe, but only up to 5% of your presentation is going to be accepted. That means the 5% of negligence will be given for grammar mistakes and all. Do not repeat your idea. Some people they are keep on saying the same sentence repeatedly. That you have to avoid. And maximum cases avoid using and word. Whenever we want to connect one sentence with the another sentence, we are using and. But maximum times you can avoid and use these words like however, definitely, certainly, these words to connect the words further. And your content should be very simple and good. And at the same time, never use negative words or sentences, because any controversy topic they are going to give, some people are going to focus on negative on opponent or opposition parties or whatever it may be. That kind of negative words or sentences you have to avoid. And at the same time, avoid saying but, and avoid saying a particular names and religion names, because it will be shows negative impression on you. So along with this, the other tips are, when you want to conclude, you should have use these following words like hence, therefore, overall, in short, in bird's eye view, I conclude that, in brief. These kind of words you can use when you are going to finish or give a conclusion or summary of the topic and all. And fluency and pronunciation plays a crucial role in jam session. That means how you are going to pronounce and fluence, the sequence of words are very very important. At the same time, the voice clarity, all these are very important when you are attending for a jam session. And no breaks and pauses in your sentences. A little pauses are accepted, but some people they are going to stand and they are not in a position to speak for a 5 to 10 seconds also. Those kind of breaks and passes you have to avoid. All these things you will be getting when you are going to have enough practice, right? And sessions must be at the end of the conclusion. Some people they are going to have their own set of advisors or sessions for the given topic. When you are going to give such kind of session, that you are going to give at the end of the conclusion. These are the tips, some of the tips you are going to keep in mind when you are going to participate in a jam session. Definitely you are going to crack a particular interview round. Apart from these, we will be having some of the topics which they are going to generally ask in interviews. Those are like literacy, education, women role in a country, politics, mobiles. These are the few general topics which they are going to ask in jam sessions. And on this, you are going to avoid long sentences or lengthy sentences. To make the attention, you have to keep your sentences very simple and simple language. Some people they are using very complex language or the complex vocabulary. That should not a correct way of presenting in a jam session. And prepare a few common topics when you are attending for an interview. Some common topics like these are the some of the topics are already given. These sort of common topics you are going to prepare in advance, and avoid MTI, mother tongue influence. That is majorly the South Indian people or even North Indian people they are having Hindi when they are talking speaking in English. Hindi will comes under, and of course in South India we will also get some of the MTI influence like like that words that we can avoid. And don't speak loudly when you are presenting in a jam session, and speak clearly, and it should be audible to the interviewer. These are the few topics which you are going to prepare. And of course, there is no limit for jam session. They can ask, suppose if you prepare 100 topics, they will ask the topic which you are not prepared, 101 topic, right? That's why some sort of preparation is going to require for you when you are preparing for a jam sessions. Apart from this, you are also going to have some kind of a mock jam sessions. Usually in colleges they used to have some kind of mock jam sessions. So these are the few topics which we can select, like writing all these topics and chit, and you can pick up randomly. So you should have a command on a specific topic, or else you can keep in mind whatever the ideas and all, and do practice all these topics. And at the same time, if it is not in a college, or at least in front of your friend who is able to identify your mistakes, in front of them you can have this mock jam session, so that they can able to rectify your mistakes. By doing so, you are in a position to crack the jam session. That's all about the jam session. These are the few tips. And finally, we can conclude that if you don't practice, you do not deserve to win. So, friends, be practice and do have a mock jam sessions in front of your friends, and ultimately you are going to crack any kind of interview which are having a jam as one of the round. Okay, thank you very much. And if you are having any queries further, you can mail me at gzk.skht@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.